of the day. Letter of the day. This is the final letter of the English alphabet. It is called Z. 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 The letter of the day is Z. Can you say Z? Z. Good job. This is the uppercase letter and the lowercase letter. The letter Z says Z. 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 Can you say Z? Z. Z. Good work. The letter Z says Z. We have our alphabet song to go with that. Are you ready? We're going to sing it. The letter Z says Z. 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 The letter Z says Z. The letter Z says Z. Again. The letter Z says Z. 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 The letter Z says Z. The letter Z says Z. Good job. Way to go. We sounded kind of like some flies, didn't we? Z. Good work. So the letter Z says Z. Our produce of the day to help us with this pronunciation is zucchini. Zucchini. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini. I brought along a zucchini. This is a zucchini. Can you see it there? It's primarily a summertime vegetable. If you grow these in your garden or if you pick them up at the market from time to time. Zucchini. 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 Z is for zucchini. Zucchini.